So we want to chat about why vertical video really does matter.
Hello, welcome to episode 30 of the Updates Update. Hope everyone is good. So yeah, lots happening at Updates HQ this week. We've just found out that we've won 4 new clients, which is obviously super exciting. So ranging from social media management, some content creation, and also a really exciting campaign on Best of Bristol, which is really cool. We also had a big strategy session for one of our clients. So looked at their content pillars and really understanding exactly what they should be doing going forward. So that was really good, and presenting that back next week. But anyway, enough from me. The team have got some far better things to be saying about what's going on in the world of social and how you can improve yours. So over to them. Bye.
Since 2015, Instagram has been optimizing its platform to deliver content that suits the design of smartphones. So we want to chat about why vertical video really does matter. Vertical content fills up more of the screen than landscape. So not only does it give you more screen time as people scroll down, it also improves your storytelling capabilities with photos and videos, as there's so much more space on the screen for information such as graphics or subtitles. So the next draw would be the viewing figures detailing consumer habits. 60% of videos are watched on mobile phones, while 70% of social media usage comes from phones as well. What that leads to is statistics like videos viewed vertically having a completion rate 90% higher than videos viewed horizontally. So yeah, that is a massive difference in engagement, and it should be enough to encourage you to switch up how you create and share content. When it comes to post-production as well, it's in the same way that portrait is more pleasant to view on phones, it's also much better for editing on your phone. So if you edit on your phone, it's much quicker, and that improves your workflow.
As Mitch was suggesting, it's always best to edit your footage in the aspect ratio that you want it to finally end up in. That way you can preview it throughout. But don't worry if you have shot your footage in horizontal aspect. All is not lost. There are free and premium apps that can help you change the aspect ratio afterwards. InShot is a great video editor app. It's free and very easy to use. Or for more premium editing apps, you could use something like Adobe Rush, or one of my personal favorites, LumaFusion. These will let you add multiple layers of sound and multiple layers of video onto your project file and export it in whatever format you wish. Here you can see an example of a LumaFusion file where I'm setting the project aspect ratio before I've even brought in any footage. If you have got your footage in the correct aspect ratio, you don't even need to do this. By dragging the video into the project timeline, it will set the project to that aspect ratio. And once you've got your video out of the editing app, all that's left to do is post that bad boy.
Yep, that's right, there's just one more thing to remember. So it can be really confusing when you're trying to share the same video across Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, because each platform promotes videos differently. For example, Facebook love videos that are over 3 minutes long. However, Instagram is really loving Reels at the moment, and that maxes out at 15 seconds.
30 seconds.
It's really important to understand how to make sure that your video appeases both the platform that you're posting on and also your audience. For example, people are more likely to sit through a 1-minute video than they are to sit through a 10-minute plus video. So I'm actually going to interrupt myself there. What I mean by appease the platform is actually that you need to hit all the requirements for these different platforms. For example, as I mentioned earlier, when Facebook are pushing these 3-minute videos, if your video is 3 minutes plus, it's going to get pushed by the algorithm, meaning that your video is going to get seen by more people and you'll have greater success with that video, at least a greater chance of success with that video. Facebook even has a resource page on their website, Facebook for Business, for the best video practices. Make sure you check it out because it gives you a really nice, simple way to see if your video will actually make the grade. I hope that makes a little bit more sense. Anyway, back to the video. I know this is a lot of information to take in all at once, so if you need a hand making stuff that looks maybe a little bit like this, then send us a message. We'd be more than happy to help out with your campaign or whatever content that you've got and try to clear up some of this confusion.